Jesteśmy w Ząbkach, w gabinecie.
We are in Skorupki in the veterinary surgery of Dr. Krajewski, who is a specialist in exotic animals treatment. What are the first warning symptoms that should prompt us to visit a vet?
Zachowanie papugi powinno wzbudzać niepokój opiekuna wtedy,
Parrot behavior should alarm its guardian when it is different than daily. Owners who have possessed parrots for a long time know how to healthy parrots behave. All changes should be reported to a doctor. The most common disease symptom is lethargy, sadness. A parrot moves less, plays less, sleeps more. The second symptom is a lack of appetite. It eats less and doesn't approach the food container as before. These symptoms should alarm parrot guardians that something is wrong and should call for their vigilance and make them to be more watchful. What parrot owners don't know is the need to undertake increased observation in such cases.
Bardziej będzie obserwował tą papugę, a większa obserwacja to jest właśnie to, czego właściciele nie wiedzą.
First of all, they should pay attention to bird droppings, how they look like, compare changes. They should also pay attention to body moves, for instance shaking its head, a higher incidence of touching a beak with a claw, abnormal tail vertical movements, fluffing its feathers.
Nastroszenie. Jak papuga jest chora, najczęstszym objawem jest
Most often, when a parrot is ill, it puts up its feathers. Next symptoms are sadness and loss of appetite.